Another 2 coronavirus vaccines have a fast track toward approval. Pfizer and BioNTech announcing the FDA gave them the green light for 2 vaccine candidates.
What we're trying to do is do things simultaneously that we used to do one after the other. You and I, through our taxes, are already investing in manufacturing certain vaccines before the trial is finished.
BioNTech says in some cases its vaccines with Pfizer produced almost triple the number of coronavirus antibodies as those in recovered COVID-19 patients.
We like it when the vaccines produce antibodies at least as high as the natural infection, and higher is better.
The question is, what's the binding constant? What's the stickiness of the antibodies? The antibodies stick to the virus like Velcro. So that's why we still have to do the trial.
The vaccines are just the latest to get in the fast lane. Moderna got a fast track in May. And already it's generating optimism on Wall Street that a vaccine may be ready by year's end. Just Monday, a Jefferies Financial Group analyst said he thinks Moderna's vaccine could generate billions of dollars in government contracts, his firm urging investors to buy.
We have world-class scientists here in Queensland.
And the worldwide effort adding another human trial Monday, this time in Australia at Queensland University.
This is the first in human, a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled study. There will also be dose escalation component to determine the optimal vaccine dose for future studies.
The National Institutes of Health alone counts at least 58 active studies worldwide for a vaccine against COVID-19.
It wouldn't be the first time that a candidate vaccine stumbled at phase 3. Phase 3 is sort of where the rubber meets the road.
But cautiously optimistic, Pfizer and BioNTech think they could have 100 million doses ready by the end of the year. Moderna aiming to produce 500 million to 1 billion doses a year starting in 2021.
How do we prioritize who gets those first?
That's a very important and very ethically important question. There's general understanding that perhaps healthcare workers who have face-to-face contact with patients with COVID probably should be first. After that, there's still a long discussion that's going on.
The ethical debate of the year amid a mad dash to get a life-saving vaccine on the market.
The vaccine is months away in the best case scenario. Do not alter your behavior away from being safe now because you read a headline about a vaccine.
James Packard, Newsy, Chicago.